Everyone, you're welcome back once again. My name is Victor Digomo here, and in this class, we are looking at the questions that came from the WIC mathematics exam for the year 2025, and we have been able to solve the theory part. All these questions in section A, we've solved all of them. 5 questions in section A, and we are now in section B. We are solving these theory questions one after the other. They are in the previous classes, so it will be of interest for you to access them when you subscribe to the channel. This question, number 9, is what we want to look at. It says Miss Otto spends 1/9 of her monthly salary on rent, half on food, 1/4 on clothes, and still had $195 left. How much does she earn in a month? How much does she earn in a month? Now, I believe that this question is quite simple anyway, but we are going to explain it. We are going to give detailed explanation on this question. Okay, he's talking about somebody's salary here, and you're talking about 1/9 of that salary. You're talking about half of that salary. You're talking about 1/4 of that salary. You're talking about a leftover, which is $195. So what exactly is that salary? So that is what we want to see, how we can run this calculation in a mathematical way. So I can say, let this woman's monthly salary be, let let her monthly salary be X or Y or anything you can use, any variable you can use. So for her to spend 1/9 of the salary off, 1/9 off, so we have 1/9 times that salary. Okay, and she spent half of it on food. So I say plus 1/2 of that salary times that salary is on food. Then plus 1/4 of that salary times that salary X is on clothes. And this person still have plus $195 left. All these things, when you add them, you will get that salary. I hope it's looking very sweet, right? It's looking very sweet, really. It is. So when you add all these things, you're definitely going to get that salary. Okay, so there's nothing left here. I think we've been able to do the calculation from here. Somebody can just say, hold it there, I'm going to run it down and then get the answer. So, but let's just do it. So I have x/9 plus x/2 plus x/4 plus 195 equals to x. Okay, LCM here. Taking the LCM of this, I'm working on these 3 fractions. The LCM of 9, 2, and 4 will be 36. 36. 9 into 36 is 4. 4 times this is 4x plus, this is, to divide this is 18. 18 times this is 18x plus 4 divided 36 is 9. 9 times this is 9x plus 195 over 1 equals to x. So I will have 4 plus 18 is 22. 22 plus 9 will give me 31 x over 36 plus 195 over 1 equals to x. So let me transfer this over here. I will have 195 equals to x over 1 minus 31x over 36. followed by the LCM here is 36. 1 divided 36, 36, 36 times x is 36x, minus 36 divided 36 is 1. 1 times this is 31x. So I have here 195 over 1 equals to 36x minus 31x is 5x over 36. So if you cross multiply at this level, cross multiplying, you will have 36 times 195 equals to 5x. So divide both sides by 5, you will have 36 times 195 over 5 equals to 5x over 5. So this can cancel this, and then I think 5 cancel itself here, 1 cancel here. Of course, 5 into 15 is 3. Remember 4 into 45 is 9. So I am going to have, this takes away this, x being equals to 36 times 39. So x is equals to, by my calculation, 1404. So x is, the money this person is earning is $1,404 per month. That's what the woman in this statement or question is earning in a month. Okay, so if you still want to verify, you can still go back and take 1/9 of this amount of money, half of it and 1/4 of this, and check whether the leftover is going to be 195. So, but I am pretty sure that every calculation we did here, there's no problem in it. You too, you verify that this figure we have here, all these things we did here, they also, there's nothing manipulative of that. So the next question we want to look at is the section, the B part of this question 9 in the next class. Okay, in the next class, when we are through solving this question, what I am going to do is to have a compiled video of all the solutions I have provided in a way that you can be able to access it. Okay, I may paste this in the comment section so that you can follow it and access. But if you subscribe to the channel, definitely you'll be able to access all these questions, the solution to them. Okay, so we are looking at the next question, which is the 9b section that has to do with a sector of a circle of radius 60 cm sustaining an angle of 105 degrees at the center of the say calculate the perimeter, the area of the circle. So we are going to look at that in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, share this video to your friends, and like what you are doing if we have been in one way or the other useful to you in adding to your knowledge in these classes. Thank you so much for being there.